someone new. Baby.
Hey, it is your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. And today I am bringing you this gorgeous blue and purple look. It is inspired by this Instagram makeup artist, so I'll link her down below. Go show her page some love. But anyways, like, I am just serving a look today, like, sis didn't come to play. But before we even get into this video, if you would like to become an MVP and be on the winning team, because you know we all MVPs over here, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you already MVP, welcome back, sis. Like, I'm happy you came to see another video. But when you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit the bell notification, because why would you want to miss another video? Like, I don't want to miss a video, so go ahead and hit that button, because you know. But anyways, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment below any suggestions that you have for my channel or any videos you would like me to do, because I will do it. So without further ado, I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the video.
Just like a pill.
So y'all already know when I'm coming here with my scarf on, it's about to be a lit tutorial. But anyways, I already went ahead and filled in my brows and primed my eyelids, because it's the same in every video. For my brows, I use my Goof Proof Benefit Brow Pencil in the shade 5. And if you want to see how I fill in my brows, go check out my brow tutorial that I posted probably, like, I think it's 3 videos ago. 3. Because yeah, that's where you get all the tea. But I mean, today my brows actually looking like sisters. I mean, they ain't twins, but they not frenemies today, because usually my brows look totally different. My brows be frenemies, like they don't even know each other. That's how different my brows be looking. But today they look pretty good, so your girl ain't complaining. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and zoom y'all in so I can move on to eyeshadow, because yeah. So I'm actually going into 2 different shadows out of 2 different palettes. So the first one is going to be out of the James Charles palette, and I'll be going in with this dark purple shade right here. I really wish they put the shade names on here. Like, it's enough space between each shadow to put the names on there, so I don't see what's the excuse. Like, baby girl, I'm gonna need you to come again, come back. But anyways, I'm about to go into this dark purple shade. And then I'm going to mix that with a shadow from the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going into this shade right here. I believe it's pronounced Zora.
She's home, attention is so big, but she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm on it, somebody should know.
Next, I'm going back into my James Charles palette, and I'll be going into this red shade right here.
Sing until I feel it, I'ma go until it's done. I don't need to say what's up, but my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should have told you I'm on one. You know I'm on one, yeah. I said I'm on one.
So now I'm about to go ahead and cut my crease. So now that my crease are cut, I'm about to go back in with those dark purples to blend out the outer edges, and I'm gonna like angle it going inwards. So milky. So what I'm gonna do is take a Morphe in 562 and go into the black shade from the James Charles palette.
I can tell certain people don't like me no more. New shit don't excite me.
So now for my lid, I'm about to go into this shade right here. And this shade is just so freaking pretty.
Leave them cell phones on the table when we see them. I'm all day with it, man. AM to the PM. Niggas hating, I just wish that they was saying when they see them.
So this is already super duper cute, but y'all know. And if you don't know, go watch another video. But your girl is extra. So your girl has to go in with this pigment from Peaches Makeup. And it's in the shade Fantasy. So what I'm about to do is take my makeup wipes. I just got these from CVS. This is just the Basics brand, and it look nasty. They got like makeup and stuff on the little sticky part. But anyways, I'm about to just take this and wipe up any fallout that's underneath my eyes, because we don't want that to blend with the foundation. Like, we want the foundation to be flawless, because that's all we do over here. Alright, girl, to, you know, I think I'm good. Nope. So now I'm about to go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And next I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange to color correct.
I feel you're like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry.
So I'm about to take a bit of my flour powder from Beauty Bakery just to set this color corrector, because we don't want it to move under the foundation. So I'm just taking it on this Real Techniques brush.
Sound just like a pill.
For foundation, I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear and then my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, because your girl has been loving this combination. It's just so good.
Take you like a pill.
So for concealer, I'm going to enter my Makeup Revolution concealers in the shade C8 and C11.
All she cares about is money in the city where she.
So now I'm about to go ahead and take my Beauty Bakery flour powder and go ahead and set my face.
Ask me all these numbers. Oh, baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should have told her I pop one. Fuck it, I pop one. Oh, girl, I'm on one. Fuck it, I pop.
So now I'm about to go ahead and contour and bronze with my Black Radiance powder and my Wet n Wild bronzer. So yeah. So actually, first I almost forgot about this step. I'm about to go ahead and take my MAC Studio Fix powder, and it's in the shade C8, and I'm about to go ahead and set my face.
about is money in the city that I'm from. I'm singing till I feel it, I'ma go until.
So for blush, I'm about to go into the Saharan blush palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm about to take the shade Neo and the shade Toby, which is the two shades in the middle. So this red shade, and I'm gonna mix it with this orange shade and apply that to my cheeks.
I'm on a few, don't you worry, this ain't new. Can we take this to your spot? I'm on a fiction number 2, cause I paused one. Fuck it, I paused one.
So now I'm about to give my face a spritz of the Morphe Set and Mist. And I'm going to cover my eyes because we don't want this to hit my eyeshadow. And then for highlighter, I'm going into the MAC highlighter in the shade Show Gold. And it's just like this really pretty, you can't see it on camera, but it like reflects from like a pinkish purple to gold. It's like really pretty. But I'm about to go ahead and apply this.
Same nigga that you knew way back when. You acting like it's somebody you don't know. Tell me how the fuck you supposed to stay friends when you got a bunch of feelings that you don't show. I can tell certain people don't like me no more. New shit don't excite me.
Okay, so what I'm about to do is go ahead and do my under eyes. And first, I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place Magic palette. And I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this dark blue shade right here. So to blend out this dark blue, I'm going into this shade right here from the James Charles palette. So for my inner corners, I'm going to take this blue first. And then I'm going to put this one like right in the middle of it, just to brighten it up. So, yeah.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.
So I think I'm going to go in with this style right here. If I can get the glare. There we go.
It's like a pill.
With the NYX lip liner in the shade Nutmeg.
Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave.
So now I'm about to go into the Anastasia lipstick in the shade Allison.
Down just like a pill.
Now I'm about to take a little bit of the shade Strip from Anastasia and apply that right in the middle.
Take you like a pill. Get my fill.
This is the final look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am on the journey to 500 subscribers, and by subscribing, you will help me reach that goal. But yeah, so like I said, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment below any suggestions that you have for my channel or any videos you would like me to do, because I will do it. And without further ado, you already know what I'm about to say. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP, period. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.